Window replacement. Madisonville TN is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetics and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Madisonville TN specialize in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you're interested in vinyl windows or double-hung windows, our team provides top-notch window installation services tailored to your needs. Energy-efficient windows. Madisonville are designed to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. By choosing our energy-efficient window replacement Madisonville TN, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Our window contractors in Madisonville TN are skilled in installing a variety of window types, including vinyl windows and double-hung windows, to meet your specific requirements. For those seeking custom windows, Madisonville TN, our window design services offer personalized solutions to match your home's unique style. From bay windows to casement windows, our custom window options provide both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our window consultation Madisonville TN ensures you receive expert advice on the best window choices for your property. Window replacement Madisonville TN services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Madisonville window replacement services include window frame repair, window glass replacement, and window screen replacement Madisonville TN. We ensure your windows are in top condition, providing both security and energy efficiency. Residential window services. Madisonville are designed to cater to homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. Our services include window sealing Madisonville TN and window caulking Madisonville to prevent drafts and improve insulation. We also offer window hardware Madisonville TN to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Commercial window services. Madisonville TN are tailored to businesses seeking durable and energy-efficient window solutions. Our window contractors in Madisonville TN provide expert installation and maintenance services, ensuring your commercial property remains energy-efficient and visually appealing. From window tinting Madisonville to storm windows Madisonville TN, we have the expertise to meet your commercial window needs. Window upgrades. Madisonville are an excellent way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Our window upgrade services include the installation of sliding windows Madisonville TN and bay windows Madisonville TN, offering both style and functionality. Our window contractors in Madisonville TN are dedicated to providing high-quality window solutions that meet your specific needs.